screen. Yes, children, today we are going to discuss about questions and statement. What is a question and what is a statement? Okay, let us see the first statement. Look at the screen, everyone. Akshay Lakshmi, Manvit Raj, and Advait Gujja, Adhya Gujja. See here. Look at the screen. Statement. What is a statement? What is a statement? A statement is a sentence that describes something. You know the describing words we have discussed in our previous class. Adjectives. Tall, good, bad, sad, happy. These are all few examples of adjectives, describing words. So, we are going to describe something, a statement, a sentence which describes something. See, a statement describes something. For example, see here, he is my best friend. Here we are describing a friend. We are describing a friend. How is the friend? Best friend. He is our best friend. Best is a describing word. And remember one thing, children, all the statements ends with full stop. Statements ends with full stop. You can see at the end of the statement, there is a full stop. Here also in the second example, say, I am a good boy. Boy, how is the boy here? Boy, good boy, good. Good is a describing word. J, Kushal Sanjay. Okay. Best and good are the describing words here. Remember a statement. What is a statement? A statement is a sentence that describes something and it ends with a full stop. It ends with a full stop. Now let us see some more examples in your course book. Take out the course book, page number 1. Course book, page number 1. Come on, children, open your course books. Theme 3 course book, page number 1. Riyansika, Ashrita Gautam, Dhriti Reddy. Open. Are you ready, Riyansika? Advaita? T. Advaita? Ready with your course book? Okay. Now, page number 1, on the top of the your course book, write date and CW. What is date today? 15/9. And write CW. Write CW. Riyansika?
Ma'am?
Are you ready with your book?
Yes, ma'am.
Write date and CW. Okay, now see, there are some more examples we have in the course book, page number 1. These are the examples of statements. I am the captain of the team. Captain. captain of the team. He is my father. We have a beautiful flower vase. Parrot is a beautiful bird. Our dog is very naughty. Her sister is a doctor. These are some more examples which are given for the statement. Now let us see here, each and every sentence ends with a full stop. Are you able to see, children? Each and every statement ends with a full stop. At the end of the sentence, what you are able to see? Tell me. Is there a full stop or not? Can you see a full stop at the end of a sentence? Unmute yourself and tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Can you see full stop at the end of the sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then when you find a full stop, at the end of a sentence, then that is a statement. Tell me. When you see a full stop at the end of the sentence, that is called a statement. Now let us see the question. What is a question? A question is a sentence that asks something. When we are asking something to someone, what are you doing? Where are you going? What are you eating? Can you play chess? Can you swim? Okay, so these are all questions. And remember, all the questions ends with a question mark. This is a question mark you can see here on the screen. So if you are asking something to someone, that sentence is called a question. And all the questions ends with a question mark. Tanishka, sit properly. Now see the examples of a question. Can you play chess? We are asking someone that can you play chess? So this is, we are asking something to someone. So it ends with a question mark. How old are you? We are asking here age. We are asking age of someone. So here again this is a question. So it ends with a question mark. Now open page number 2 of your course book. Open page 2. Page number 2. See question. There are some more examples for a question. Can you play chess? Is she an Indian? Can you dance? What is your name? These are the few examples of a question. And look, each and every question ends with a question mark. Yes, children? Can you see there? Each and every question ends with what? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Question mark, ma'am.
very good. Question mark. Good. Now, tell me, what is a statement? A sentence. Come on, tell me. A sentence
A sentence
that describes
something.
And it ends with a full stop.
It comes with the full stop.
Yeah.
black on my screen.
Next one. What is a question? A question is a sentence that asks something and it ends with a question mark. So now let us do the exercise on page number 4 of your course book. Open page number 4. Ready, children? Page 4, group A. Ready? See the first one, A. The ocean is big. The ocean is big. And the sentence ends with a full stop. So what you will write in the box? Remember, children, if it is a statement, you have to write S. If it is a question, you have to write Q in the box. Now, what we have to write in the box? Tell me. The ocean is big.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. We have to write yes because this is a statement.
Next one, Q, ma'am. Next one.
B. Now see the B one. Is the sky blue? Question mark. So what you have to write in the box, second B box?
Q.
Q. Very good. Now see the C1. Children, before writing this, you have to put date and CW on the top of the page. Come on, write date and CW on the top of the page. 15. I forgot to tell you 15, 9, and write CW. Okay, now write. C. Can birds fly? Can birds fly? Question mark. You see with your eyes. Full stop. Now tell me what you will write in C.
Q, ma'am.
Yes, C box, you have to write Q because there is a question mark. And D?
S, ma'am.
You see with your eyes. Everyone, you can unmute, children. You can unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me answer. Yes,
Yes,
you have to write S. Dhriti Reddy? See, Date and CW, you have like this lines, group B, first bit A and B. Yes, children? Do you have the same page, no? Everyone, you can unmute and you can tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Like this A and B. Lines are given in the course book. And now what you have to do? See? You have to write 2 examples. One example for statement and one example for question. You have to write by your own now. Kushal, Kushal,
Yes, ma'am.
give me one example for the statement.
I like to dance.
I like to dance. Very good. And it ends with a
Full stop.
very good. It ends with a full stop. Come on, right? And still, who want to give? Adya Gujja,
Yes, ma'am.
come on, give me one example for the question.
Ma'am, this is good. This is my book. I am good girl.
Question.
Question.
Okay, give me one example for statement. Full stop.
I want to dance.
Huh?
I want to dance.
You want to dance. Okay, it ends with a full stop. Good. Aslan, give me a question.
I want. Do you know how to play chess?
Okay, good. And
Ma'am, should I write two or only
yes.
one?
Right. Start writing. Akshat,
Ma'am.
give me one example for a question. One question I want.
Ma'am, I can write. I'm a good girl also.
For the question or for a statement?
For question.
For a question, how you will write that? It is not question. No, we are not asking to
Statement.
anyone.
You can write statement.
That is a statement because it ends with a full stop. Lohit.
Ma'am, I don't remember, but I know it. Are you going to school?
Very good, Lohit. Are you going to school? That is a question or statement, Lohit. Question and it ends with a
Question mark.
very good. Riyansika,
Yes, ma'am.
come on, give me one example for statement and one example for question. Make it fast.
Clamber's slide. Ma'am, we can.
Yes, Riyansika.
She is my teacher.
She is my teacher. What is that? Is it a statement or a question?
Statement.
Very good. And give me one example for the question.
The ocean.
Question. Make a question.
It is.
Ask something. You
Is
ask.
the sky blue?
Riyansika, you have to ask something, beta. Question means you have to ask something.
Is the sky blue?
Is the sky blue? Good. That is a question and it ends with a question mark. Good. Yes. Meghanasri,
Yes, ma'am.
give me one example, beta, for the statement or a question your wish. Give me one example. Yes.
I love to eat the cookies.
You love to eat cookies. Is it a statement or a question?
Statement, ma'am.
Very good, Meghana.
Ma'am, I don't. Yes, ma'am.
One example for statement and one for question. Make it fast.
The ocean is big.
It is
It is a statement.
okay. And question.
What is your name?
Very good. Now Manvit Raj. Manvit Raj. Manvit Raj. Give me one example for the statement or a question. Manvit Raj is not responding. ABK Ganesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, give me one example, beta. For a statement or for a question, any. Come on.
I am a good boy.
Ah, you are a good boy. Is it a statement or a question?
Statement.
Good. That's a statement. Very good, children. So, everyone understood what is a statement and what is a question. Very good. So, today will you write some more examples for statement and questions in your notebook? Will you write? Okay. You have to write some more examples in your notebook. That is your homework, today's homework.